Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add an admin on Facebook page. First, open your Facebook app. From here, go to Menu on the bottom right. Now tap on your profile and select your page. Once you're on your page, go to Menu on the bottom right. From here, scroll down and go to Professional Dashboard. Once you're here, scroll down again and tap on Page Access. After that, tap on Add New beside people with Facebook access. From here, tap on Next. Now, search the profile that you want to give access to. Once you find the profile, tap on it. Now make sure it's the correct profile and then allow this person to also have full control. Then just tap on Give Access. And it's done. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.